Hi everyone, welcome back to the Career Growth Secrets YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share with you how the law of attraction can help you land your dream job with a great salary. If you have been struggling to get hired or feel stuck in your career, stay tuned because this might just change your life. Introduction to law of attraction. First, what exactly is the law of attraction? It is the belief that your thoughts, emotions, and actions send out an energy that attracts similar energy back to you. In simple words, what you focus on, you attract. If you constantly thinking, I'm not good enough, you attract situation that makes you feel that way. But if you believe I am confident and capable, you attract that opportunities that match that belief. Now, how does this apply to your job search? When you focus on your dream job, visualize it clearly, believe deeply that you deserve it, you begin to change your energy. Your mind starts spotting opportunities. You feel more motivated to apply for the right roles. You approach interview with confidence. This inner shift creates real external results. For example, a Rahul story. Let me give an example. Rahul stuck in an average job, earned way less than he deserves. Instead of complaining, he started using law of attraction. Every morning, he visualized himself in the dream marketing manager role, working at the top companies, earning 25 lakhs per year. He also upgraded his skills, network smartly, stay positive. In just 6 months, Rahul landed a role exactly like he had imagined with the salary he wanted. Thoughts, emotions, actions, alignment. But here is important point. The law of attraction is not just about wishful thinking. You cannot sit on your couch and expect a job offer to appear. You must align three things: thoughts, visualize your dream job clearly; emotions, feel the excitement and gratitude as if you already have it; action, take inspired action like updating your resume, networking, and applying for jobs. Another example: Priya wanted a senior software engineer position with 30 lakhs package. She used a law of attraction by writing affirmations like, I'm grateful for all my amazing job that pays me well and value my skills. She also kept her energy high, learned new technology, and showed up confidently in interviews. Within few months, not only did she get multiple offers, but she also negotiated 5 lakhs higher than the original offer. Key benefits: using the law of attraction helps job seekers in so many ways. You boost your self confidence, you stay focused on growth, not fear. You attract job opportunities naturally. You become magnetic during interviews, and you develop a courage to negotiate better salary. Finally, so remember, your dream job and ideal salary already waiting for you. You just have to align your thoughts, emotions, and action to meet them halfway. Believe in yourself, take inspired actions, and let the universe surprise you with opportunities you never imagined. Success is not something you chase, it is something you attract by becoming the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on career growth and personal success. See you in the next video. Thank you.